This was just a quick test using the Millermatic 252 regular non-pulse machine with 035 ER70S6. This was done on plates. A little bit uneven. There was just scrap that I had. One piece 22 and a half, the other piece 30. There's the root pass. So it went in there pretty good. Like I said, just a straight stringer uphill. I did that on about 16 and a half and 190. Just able to pull the trigger and go straight up. And then the rest of this was 17 and a half or whatever showed on the machine here. 17.4, 222. And just two passes over the top of the root. I didn't grind it any, you know, I could have probably knocked some of the hump off of the root pass. But anyway, that was just kind of an example of some uphill MIG. You got to run it pretty cold. You're not going to be able to run the settings that you run on uphill MIG in any other position. If you do, you've got a very high likelihood of non-fusion. Even vertical up, if you're not careful, then where you put the arc, if you skip a spot, it won't fuse. There's just not enough energy there for it to wash out and so-called burn into things. Just thought I'd throw it out there real quick.